Hello. So welcome to today's video. First we understand the question and then we see the intuition behind it and then we see the solution. Okay. So the question name is insert in sorted variant doubly linked list. Okay. So we have given a sorted doubly linked list and element X. They are saying that you need to insert the element X in the correct position in its sorted linked list. And the linked list, doubly linked list is in ascending order. Okay. So we have already given a sorted linked list that is in sorted fashion, and we have to insert a value that after the insertion of the value, the linked list should be in the sorted order. Okay, so in this, like if we have to insert the 9, then we have to insert the 9 at this position so that it remains in the sorted position. Okay, and in this like 15, so 15 is the largest value in the given linked list, so we have to insert it in the end. Okay, so let's see the intuition behind it. Okay, so I have taken an example here that it is given the 3 5 8 10 and 12 and we have to insert the 9 here. Okay, so then what we do here, we take a pointer here, that is ptr. So ptr is a pointer here and ptr is initially pointing to this. We move the pointer ptr till like a we move the pointer ptr till ptr next. Okay, so ptr next exists and our ptr next data should be less than x. Okay, so if the value is smaller, then we move the ptr pointer till this condition satisfies. So we wrap up this condition in a while loop. Okay, so why we are taking that ptr next? Because let's say we have to insert 9 and we are not taking ptr next, we take only ptr here. So then condition become what? Ptr and like what here become, here next is not there. Okay, so here it is only ptr data less than x. So after here, then pointer pointed at this condition, like at this value, then condition not satisfied and it break out the loop, but we have to insert the value here. Okay, so we have to take in mind that, and after that we have to see all the things. So that's why I am taken here the ptr next value. Okay, so let's erase this. Yeah. Okay, so that's why we are taken here that ptr next, like value ptr next and ptr next data. ptr next data should be less than x. Till this condition we have to move our pointer. So then after pointing this condition, it sees the ptr next is 10, ptr next value. So ptr next value is 10 and it's check the condition that 10 is less than 9 or not. So it, this condition is not satisfied, then it break out of the loop. So then what we do, we first store the like 10 address. Okay, then insert a 9 value and then the 9 value should point it out to this 10 address. Okay, so this thing we have to simply done in this, do in this question. Okay, but it may be the possible that in this x value is 9, but it may be possible that x value can be 2. Okay, x value can be 2. So then in that case the linked list become 2 3 5 8 10 and 12. Okay, so we have to handle this case in a like in separate case. Okay, so we have to first see that if the head data is greater than the x value that we have to insert, so we have to make that node head and that next should be pointing toward head and like return that node. Okay, because the starting point of linked list is the given x node value of the linked list. Okay, so we have to then return that value, and it may be possible that we have to insert in the last of the node, because like if we have to insert the 15, then I think that from this condition we can do this, because after pointing to this it check ptr next, so ptr next is not exist. So then what we do, we like simply add 15 to the last of this and then move the next pointer toward this node. Okay, so this is a very simple, like without like take care of previous node, we can easily insert this like value in the given linked list and we can do this question. Okay, so let's see the code what we are doing here. Okay, so this is the question, and first we see that if the starting node is greater than x, then what we do, we make the given node value to the starting node, and that next should point it toward head and we return that node. But if that is not the case, then what we doing here, we first moving to the suitable condition. Okay, like I already said that ptr next and ptr next data should be less than x. Till that condition not like till that condition satisfy, we move to next pointer. Okay, then what we are doing here, we making the new node here, and we first storing the next value address. Like here I already said that we have to take care of the next address, like that 10 address in this case. Okay, so first we stored that, then our pointer next value will be the new node that we are found, and new node next should be the stored address. Then we simply return our head. Okay, so this is the answer, and let compile and run this code. Here I simply like I am not taken care of the previous pointer here in this code, and after that also it is a doubly linked list, but that should not be happen. And in this linked list, without taking care of previous pointer, it is get accepting. But if we want that we have to take care of the previous pointer also in this, then we can also do that changes. That what we do, here in this let separate to put out the case that 3 5 8 uh, 8 10 and 12. Okay, so we are inserting a node here in between these. So the previous pointer of the 10 got disturbed. Okay, and what previous pointer of only 10 got disturbed, all the previous pointer are maintained. Then what we have to do, we have to simply change the code here, that what store previous. Okay, store previous, store previous should be what, store previous should be our new node, and what new node previous should be, new node previous should be our ptr pointer. Okay, so that is the simple case that we can do here. Like they are saying that it is a doubly linked list, so we should have to take care of the previous pointer also, because without taking care of the previous pointer it is not accepting. And what is the error given there, that address sanitizer cannot provide additional information. Okay, like 9281 is the largest that we have to insert in this case. So ptr next should be exist, and in this case what the problem become, store previous is become our new node, but store is the next node. Okay, so if store exists, then only their previous exists now. So I think that is the problem that we did. Okay, so let the first like now see that it is running fine or not, because mm, what is the problem, custom input and 10 at this place. I say that I have to insert that word, then that is in the last of the node. Okay, okay, so now submit the code, that what happens. Okay, okay, so now all the test cases are good passing. So this is our today's solution. So thank you.